cooking competition.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. Huh? Rudolph, why are you in such a rush? Where are you going?
Hank, don't you know? We're going to the noodle cooking competition.
Huh? What's that?
Kiki and Miumiu are going to compete. And the winner of the competition will be the noodle champion.
Wow! I want to go too. Let's go together.
Hurry up, it's going to start soon.
Dun-dun-dun-dun! Hello, everyone! Boys and girls, welcome to the noodle cooking competition! First of all, let me introduce our participants. Here we have Kiki.
Hi, everyone.
And Miumiu.
Hi, everyone. I'll do my best. Please support me. Thank you. Love you. Love you all.
For our first round, the contestants will cook hand-pulled noodles. Let's get started.
I'm pretty good at this. First, I need to make the broth. And now I'm going to make the noodles. Add some flour and water. Then mix it together. The dough is done. After it's been mixed, it's time to knead the dough. Ooh. Ay. Woohoo!
Wow, Kiki's amazing.
But Miu, she seems to be in trouble.
Oh no, this is not good. Hand-pulled noodles. I can't do this. What am I going to do?
Look at what I can do with this.
It's so hard to knead the dough. Thread. Oh no, it's broken. One more time. Broken again.
Now it's time to cook the noodles.
I can't do this.
Here are my unbelievably delicious noodles.
Well, time's up. The two contestants have finished their noodles. Now, everyone, please taste their noodles and score.
Oh, wow, it smells really good. Oh, it's really yummy.
Wow, Kiki, your noodles are very delicious. I'll give you full marks.
Miu, your noodles are actually not that good.
We finished adding up all the scores. And the winner for the first round is Kiki!
Woohoo! Yeah! Thank you, everyone! Thank you!
I'll try my best in the next round.
The second round is pasta. Let's get started.
Woohoo! Look at my super duper noodle machine! I'm going to make beautiful, nutritious carrot noodles. And some vegetables. And some onions too. Done.
Wow, is Kiki making carrot noodles? They look beautiful. Don't you think so? Wow, look at that. Miu Miu got a very big machine. Haha, look what I've got. A magic noodle machine. Here comes some macaroni. I can make some spinach noodles too. And a little bit of farfalle. And delicious shrimp. Oh yeah! My delicious pasta is ready!
All right, time's up. Wow, both Kiki and Miu Miu's pastas look great. Now it's time to taste and score.
Miu Miu's pasta is very delicious. How about Kiki's? Kiki, your pasta is not that good this time.
I think the winner for this round is Miu Miu.
All right, the winner for the second round is Miu Miu.
Yay! I won! Woohoo!
I'll work harder.
All right. The third round is making a super big bowl of noodles.
A super big bowl of noodles? How can I make that?
Hey, Miu Miu, why don't we work together?
Okay, but a super big bowl? We can't even move a big pot.
I got it. We can ask our friends for help.
Here I come.
Whoa!
Wow! Ho-ho!
I'm here too.
Wow!
Let me move the stove for you.
I'm strong. I can help too. Let me carry the big pot.
And I can fill the pot with water.
I'll handle the noodles, eggs, and beef.
Okay, we're ready. Now let's cook the noodles.
Now we have egg noodles. And tomato noodles.
The egg is ready. And beef. Oh, it smells so good. They're done.
Wow, these are the most delicious noodles I've ever had. For this round, you work together as a team, so I declare both of you noodle champions.
Yay! Woohoo! That's great! Woohoo! Chop the veggies, make the filling, roll the flour dough. Your noodles